Okay, welcome back to our series on how to teach sight words. Today, we're going to teach the sight word there. Now, you may have been told this word is too hard to sound out. You were told wrong. You may believe that there's no way in hell your kid can read this word. You are wrong. This word is very, very simple. There is just one piece of this that is tricky. Now, anytime we teach our children tricky words, it's important we don't just say, okay, memorize this whole word, but we actually break it down for them so we can show them which parts they can sound out and which parts are going to be a little bit trickier for them. In this word, there are two parts that we can sound out. One part that's a little bit trickier, and explaining all that to our little one is going to give them the best shot of reading that word. So I've got my little friends with me, and I'm going to show you exactly how we teach this word so that you can teach this word to your little one and you can teach them other words like it. So check this out. Okay, little buddies, today we're going to learn a new word. And before I tell you what it is, let's try saying the different sounds in this word. So what sound do the T and the H make together? That's right. TH says th. And how about the R? What sound does R say in words? That's right. So those two sounds say exactly what they're supposed to. This word, though, is tricky because the E and I are saying something else. And sometimes when vowels are together, sometimes they say their names. Like they'll say E or they might say I. But this word doesn't say theer and it doesn't say thyer. This word is hard because the E and I together are making the same sound that an A and I together would make. They're making the A sound. So when we sound this word out, instead of E or I, we're going to say A. That's right. So let's try reading this word. There. Fast. There. Great job. Now let's try looking at this word in a sentence. So starting with the very first word here. She went to their, that's right, school. She went to their school. Great work. And it really is as simple as that. So let me know in the comments what other words you want to see me do. And until next time, I'll talk to you soon.